Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you have some coupon or promo code for AliExpress but you don't know how to use them, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to use coupon or promo code on AliExpress. So first of all, what you have to do, just open your AliExpress app or any browser in your device. I am using my Google Chrome and I will write here aliexpress.com. Now just hit enter. Now we are on the home page of AliExpress and make sure that you are logged in. So first of all, we have to check, do we have coupon or promo code? So just hover on this account and go to your my coupons. Okay, so you can see we have a coupon code. Now just copy this. So you can use in two ways this coupon code. First of all, you can click on this use now and you can see some product. In this specific product you can use that coupon code. So let's say I want to buy this, just click here and just add to cart, and after that let's go to cart, and from here let's check out. Now you can see there is an option promo code. Just click on this enter or down arrow button. Now you have to paste here the coupon code. Click on apply and complete the process of payment. So basically this is how you can use your promo or coupon code in AliExpress. If you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.